If your WordPress site is hosted on Bluehost and you want to speed things up, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to use the Bluehost caching plugin and turn on Endurance in-house caching the right way. This is a simple change, but it can make a big difference in how fast your website loads for visitors. Faster pages can improve user experience, reduce bounce rate, and help your site feel much more professional. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy WordPress guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, log into your Bluehost account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for your website and go to Websites, then click WordPress Admin by selecting Edit for the site you want to manage. That will open your WordPress dashboard. Now, on the left-hand menu, find Bluehost and click it. This is where Bluehost keeps its built-in tools and performance settings. Next, click Settings. Inside the Bluehost Settings panel, look for the Performance section and open it. This is where you'll find the caching controls that help your site load more efficiently. Under caching, you'll see a few different options, and it's important to choose the one that matches your website. If your site changes often, like a news site or a site with frequent updates, choose Assets Only. This caches your files and media, but keeps web pages more flexible. If you run a blog or a standard business website, Assets and Web Pages is usually the best choice because it gives you a strong balance of speed and freshness. And if your website rarely changes, you can choose Assets and Web Pages Extended for the most aggressive caching option. After selecting the caching level you want, click Save Changes if the option appears. That makes sure your new caching setting is applied properly. Once caching is enabled, it's a good idea to clear the cache so your site uses the latest version of your pages and files. To do that, use the Clear Cache option. Clearing the cache helps remove old stored content and can solve display issues after updates. If you just changed images, text, plugins, or styling, clearing the cache is especially important so you can see the newest version of your site right away. And that's it. You've now learned how to use the WordPress caching plugin on Bluehost and enable Endurance in-house caching. This is one of the easiest ways to improve site performance without installing a bunch of extra plugins. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want more Bluehost or WordPress tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.